So this is a Y strap adjusting apparatus. It's made by Pettibon, and this is the first Y strap adjustment at Becker Spine. So thank you, Araceli, for trusting us.
I'm ready.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I just remembered. We want to have your feet off the edge. So like, move down so that your knees are hanging off the edge.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Keep going. Yeah.
There.
So kind of like this will hold you from going that way.
Okay.
Make
Oh,
sense?
got it. Yes.
Now Pettibon says to hold for 40 seconds. Make sure that you can tolerate this. How does that feel?
Tight.
Just tight? Does it feel like it would feel good to thrust it?
Yeah. Ooh.
Alright. So did you get
Alright,
a
that
little release
felt-
there?
Yes, I felt that.
Alright, good. Alright, now come back. Put your head right here.
Back like this. Okay.
Alright, and you can sit up. And swing your legs that way. Okay. So let's ask ourselves how she feels, how it went.
It feels.
Describe.
I feel relieved. I don't really feel anything. Yeah.
Okay.
Like, I don't really have to crack my neck.
Okay.
I feel good.
Did you feel it go down past your neck, like into this part of your back too?
Yes, a little bit.
Okay.
I felt it obviously more.
So right in there. Okay, good.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Good. Thank you.